Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Mysterious Monkey. This is part 2. Make sure you like and subscribe, relax and enjoy. Ooh, I'm so tired. I wonder what it has to eat. I gotta go look for something to eat. Oh, I'm so tired. And I'm hungry. Time to go look for something to eat. Wait, is it this way or that way? I'll go this way. Can I find some food here? I think I should be able to find some food. Or some water. Time to go look for something. Where do you think you're going? Did you throw me down the mountain last time, right? Now you're gonna suffer. Get off of me! Do not touch me. Who tell you can touch me? Do not even come close to me. Beast Glove, activate! Whoa! Whoa! Get away! You stupid dragon! Take this! I am the king. The king of what? Of lightning. You're the king of nothing. Don't you even touch me. Take this, Beast Glove, activate. Stupid. Is he dead? You think? What's happening? Whoa! Is there an earthquake? Whoa! Is there an earthquake? Whoa!